With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include cruise control, power trunk closing assist, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, and voice-activated navigation. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.